This is a short DIY to show how you can clean walleye a short and ethical way. You want to start by going down the fin on their side and past their gill plate. Once you meet their rib cage, you go past it to where you meet the spine, and then you work all the way down to the very end of the tail, where you then fold over the fillet and begin to skin. Then you want to gently fillet the meat off of the scale and the skin so that none of that grimy stuff gets on the actual meat. Now this part is harder. You have to cut evenly behind the rib cage so that no bones get stuck in the fillet. Now, most people would be quick to discard of the rib cage, but actually there's meat on the back side of the ribs, on the back side of the bones, but you have to be very careful to not nick the bones so you don't get any shrapnel in your meat. Now you just rinse and repeat, do the exact same thing to the other side of the fish. Be sure to do the exact same thing and make no mistakes, and your fillets will turn out absolutely perfect. After you fillet your fish, you soak them all in salt water and then refrigerate them for a day and a half. Thank you all for watching. If you want me to do more of these little info type videos, I can, and I would appreciate it if you liked and subscribed to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.